guys, it's me again. My hair is up from my last video because I got pop in my hair, if you've seen the video I posted before this. But I was just making chicken noises to my brother and his friend, just trying to freak him out a little bit. And I'm going to show you how I do a chicken noise. Now, my friend actually raises chickens, and she thinks I sound like a Seabright chicken, which is a really annoying chicken with a really high, the Seabright roosters, they have the really high cock-a-doodle-doo. And I can do that. Yeah, I did it during class one day, and the teacher kind of freaked out, but yeah. But I'll show you my chicken noise and try to explain how I do it. So here it is. Sorry. Okay. I thought they were looking at me. But yeah, that's my chicken noise. And it comes from my chest because I kind of breathe in a lot. So it's and it feels weird, but it's not in your throat at all. The noise doesn't come from your throat, it comes from your chest. I mean, if you're in the choir, you don't understand what I mean. But it's I don't know how to explain it, but it puts pressure right here. I'll do it again to see if you can see where it puts pressure, because it'll go in. They're loud. Okay, but it's breathing in while you do it. It's kind of weird, but it's really fun. So try it. Hope you get it. It's fun. We'll do it one last time for you. Alright, bye.